our project is the classic snake gen. I will focus on the technical details in our code. To begin with, we import cursors to create a terminal screen to load the gen. We import random to increase uncertainties in the gen, as this is the basic feature of the gen. We import time for time-related functions like the brief exit message. The gen plane relies on the main class cursor snake. In defined init function, we initialize the terminal screen, environment, and the other default settings. The snake is essentially a list of plain coordinate tuples. The define function setUpTerminal determines the gen mechanism. The gen can be run automatically with using no delay. The take rate is 100 milliseconds, meaning that the gen will renew every 0.1 seconds, so as to guarantee a smooth gen plane. The define function spawn food randomly uses a while loop to generate food of random coordinates while avoiding collisions between the food and the snake. The define function drawGen border uses two for loops to traverse the construction of walls until the end. The building blocks are different colors, being white on black background in setup colors. Here, the define function process keyboard input dominates the movement logic, bending 180-degree direction turn. Next, the advanced snake and chat logic controls the movement. It first checks the first tuple in the list snake, which is the head. After receiving the current direction, the movement of the snake is controlled by adding or subtracting units. Note for horizontal movements, each tick will give a change of 2 units since each segment occupies 2 terminal character cells horizontally. The new head variable exceeding one of the 4 boundaries will terminate the gen. Another situation is when the snake collides with the tail. In terms of programming, the position of the head represented by coordinates is found in the list of members making up the snake, excluding the head itself. The new head is then added to the snake list and check if it is equal to the foot position upon every tick. If not, the tail dot will be removed while the rest will shift positions using pop method. This gives a visual illusion that the gen is moving. If yes, new foot will be generated and pop function is not called. The tail dot is added in this tick. The define function runGen is the major gen loop after players start a new round. This function coordinates all subsystems like movements and collision checks. The define function startGen serves as an entrance to utilize the class cursor snake which has compiled gen mechanisms. Then it calls runGen to start the jamming. Additional features include a credit page and a navigation of menu. Now I will run the gen in terminal. This is our credits page. Okay, let's start a new round. Okay, this is the end of the video. Thank you.